Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Amplify Auth for protected UI components, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have your AWS Amplify project set up and configured. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command amplify auth to initialize the authentication module. Choose the default configuration by pressing enter. After configuration, run Amplify push to deploy the authentication resources to AWS. Next, import auth from AWS Amplify in your UI component file. Use the auth.federated sign-in method to prompt users for sign-in or sign-up. Implement a state management solution to keep track of the user's authentication status. Create a function to handle authentication state changes. Use the useEffect hook to listen for authentication state changes. In that function, call auth.currentAuthenticated to check the user's current session. If a user is authenticated, update your state to reflect that. If the user is not authenticated, redirect them to the sign-in page. Create protected UI components that rely on the user's authentication status. Use conditional rendering to display different UI based on the authentication state. For example, render a welcome message for authenticated users. Render a sign-in button for non-authenticated users. You may also want to create an authenticated route component for better organization. In this route component, check if the user is authenticated. If they are not, redirect them to the sign-in page. Finally, test your application to ensure the authentication flow works as expected. Ensure your protected components only display when a user is authenticated. By following these steps, you can authenticate users and protect UI components in your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.